12 hours is when fat burning starts. But what happens if you keep going? Here's what your organs do at 24, 36, and 48 hours, and why your body goes into a completely different mode. You've been told fasting is just about burning fat. But once you move beyond the first day without food, your body begins making a series of coordinated adaptations that involve nearly every major organ. Your liver changes how it produces fuel. Your brain starts relying on a different energy source. Your kidneys alter fluid and electrolyte handling, and your cells begin prioritizing maintenance and repair over growth. What makes extended fasting so fascinating is that these changes do not happen all at once. They unfold in stages, with each organ responding to the absence of food in a specific way. By the time you reach the 24 to 36 hour window, your body is no longer operating as it does after simply skipping a meal. Instead, it enters a carefully regulated survival mode, designed to preserve function, protect vital tissues, and maintain energy production. In the next few minutes, you'll see a precise timeline of what changes inside your body at 12 to 16 hours, 16 to 24 hours, 24 to 36 hours, and how each major organ responds in real time. Let's break it down. Hours, 12 to 16, the fat-burning transition. To understand the magic of 36 hours, we must first look at the foundation laid in the early stages. Between hours 12 and 16, your body is finishing up its transition out of the fed state. The last meal you ate has been completely digested, and the glucose from that food has left your bloodstream. As your blood sugar settles down to its natural baseline, your pancreas stops producing high amounts of insulin. This drop in insulin serves as a master key. It unlocks the doors to your fat stores, signaling your body that it is time to switch fuel sources. During this 12 to 16 hour window, your liver is working hard to empty its primary energy battery, which is called glycogen. Your liver holds roughly 100 to 150 grams of this stored glucose. As this backup battery runs low, your body turns on lipolysis, breaking down body fat into free fatty acids. These fatty acids travel through your blood to supply energy to your muscles and heart. This is the starting point of your fast, where your body successfully pivots from using food for energy to using its own stored fat. Hours 16 to 24. The ketone rise and the growth hormone spike. As you move past hour 16 and approach the 24-hour mark, your body realizes that food is not coming anytime soon. To protect your muscles and ensure your brain stays sharp, your system triggers some remarkable chemical shifts. First, because your liver glycogen is now nearly empty, your liver begins converting those free fatty acids into tiny, highly efficient energy molecules called ketones. These ketones rise steadily in your bloodstream, ready to feed your vital systems. Second, something truly astonishing happens around hour 24. Your body triggers a massive spike in human growth hormone, often called HGH. Research shows that a 24-hour fast can increase growth hormone levels by up to 2,000% in men and around 1,300% in women. Why does your body do this when you are not eating? It is a brilliant survival mechanism. Growth hormone is highly protective. It acts like a shield, protecting your lean muscle mass from being broken down for fuel. It tells your body to burn fat for energy instead of destroying your hard-earned muscle tissue. This ensures you stay strong, agile, and physically capable, even during times when food is scarce. Hours 24 to 36. Deep autophagy and brain fuel switching. Now we enter the most profound window of the fast, hours 24 to 36. This is where your biology truly enters a completely different mode. The early signals of cellular cleaning that started around hour 14 now deepen into a massive, system-wide recycling project. This deep cleaning process is called autophagy. Because your body has been free from the task of digesting food for a full day, your cells can redirect all their energy toward maintenance and repair. Your cells begin hunting down old, worn-out proteins, damaged cellular walls, and misfolded molecules. They pull this cellular trash into a special recycling chamber called a lysosome, break it down, and reuse the raw materials to build fresh, healthy, and highly efficient cell parts. At the same time, your liver becomes a master fuel factory, generating about 100 to 150 grams of ketones per day. Your brain, which normally relies entirely on glucose, smoothly switches its fuel source. It begins drawing up to 60% of its total energy from these clean-burning ketones. Many people report an intense wave of mental clarity, focus, and stable moods during this exact window, as ketones provide an exceptionally steady stream of energy to your brain cells without any of the fluctuations caused by food. If you are enjoying this deep look into the human body, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our weekly science breakdowns. Organ by organ, how your inside world changes. Let us take a journey inside and look at exactly how this 36-hour window changes your major organs one by one. First, let us look at your liver. Your liver is the hardest working organ during a fast. It transitions from a storage facility into a production plant. It manages your fat burning, processes fatty acids, and continuously manufactures ketones to keep your brain alive. It also carries out its own deep cellular cleaning, helping to clear out accumulated fat droplets from its own tissues. Once produced, ketones are released into the bloodstream and transported throughout the body. Because ketones can easily cross the blood-brain barrier, they provide your brain with a reliable alternative fuel source when glucose availability declines. This export system allows the liver to support brain function around the clock without requiring a constant supply of dietary carbohydrates. Next are your kidneys. As insulin levels drop low, your kidneys receive a signal to release extra water and sodium that your body has been holding on to. This is why you lose a lot of water weight during the first day of a fast. Your kidneys work diligently to balance your internal fluids and filter your blood while your metabolism shifts. The connection is direct. Lower insulin reduces the kidney's tendency to retain sodium. As sodium leaves the body, water follows it, which explains why many people notice increased urination early in an extended fast. This is also one reason electrolyte management becomes increasingly important during longer fasting periods. Now let us look at your brain. Your brain enters a state of heightened awareness. In addition to burning ketones, the brain increases the production of a special protein called BDNF, which stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as a fertilizer for your brain. It helps grow new neurons, protects existing brain cells, and supports memory and learning. BDNF also plays a major role in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections and adapt to new experiences. This process helps maintain cognitive flexibility and supports long-term brain health. Some researchers believe that repeated periods of metabolic challenge, including fasting, may help stimulate pathways associated with resilience and cellular maintenance in the nervous system. Finally, let us look at your gut and digestive tract. Your stomach, pancreas, and intestines get a complete rest. Normally, your gut works around the clock to break down meals, which takes a massive amount of blood flow and energy. During a 36-hour fast, your gut lining finally gets the time to repair itself, strengthen its cellular walls, and reduce temporary inflammation, allowing your microbiome to reset. As fasting continues, the environment inside the digestive tract begins to shift. Certain microbial populations decrease, while others adapt to the reduced flow of incoming nutrients. Although major microbiome changes generally require repeated fasting cycles or longer dietary shifts, even a short, extended fast may temporarily alter microbial activity and give the digestive system a period of recovery from constant food processing. What breaks the fast at each stage? When you experiment with these different fasting windows, It is vital to understand what actually stops these beneficial cellular processes from happening. Breaking a fast simply means introducing something that spikes your insulin or restarts your digestive tract. During the early stages between hours 12 and 16, even a tiny amount of sugar, milk, or cream in your morning coffee will trigger an insulin response. This small spike instantly turns off your fat-burning switch and halts the early signals of autophagy. Between hours 16 and 24, your body is increasing fat utilization and beginning to elevate ketone production. During this phase, foods and beverages containing calories can interrupt that transition. A sugary drink, fruit juice, sweetened coffee, or snack can quickly raise blood glucose and insulin levels, signaling the body that external fuel is available again. This slows the metabolic shift toward ketone production and pulls the body back toward a fed state metabolism rather than allowing the fasting adaptations to continue developing. As you enter the deeper stages, between hours 24 and 36, your system becomes incredibly sensitive to nutrients. Even a small bite of food or a splash of juice will cause your liver to stop producing ketones immediately. Because your digestive system has been completely asleep for over a day, breaking a 36-hour fast requires a very gentle approach. If you eat a heavy, large meal right away, it can overwhelm your gut and cause severe cramping. Instead, you should break a long fast with something very light and easy to digest, like a warm cup of bone broth, a soft boiled egg, or a few slices of cucumber. This gently wakes up your organs without shocking your system. Conclusion: a 36-hour fast is a powerful reminder of how incredibly adaptive the human body is. By giving your organs a prolonged break from food, you allow your liver to maximize fat burning, your brain to feast on clean ketones, and your entire body to clean itself through deep autophagy. Have you ever tried an extended fast before? Or are you thinking about trying one? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive into human biology. Next up, how long you actually need to fast to meaningfully activate autophagy, and where most online claims get it wrong. Video 8 is linked in the description.